In this video, I'll show you how to change the watch face on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. All you have to do is access the watch face and then swipe up from the bottom of the watch face to access all the applications, and then scroll down and select settings. Now within the settings, tap on home screen, and then within the home screen, tap on band display. Now from here, select band displays again, and then you should see all the watch faces that are currently available on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now you can swipe through and find the one that you'd like. So let's say for instance, you like this particular watch face. You can simply tap on it, and that will be the new watch face on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Additionally, you can customize it. So let me just go back. So once you're here, you should see this settings icon. You can tap on it, and then you can customize different things, be it the style and the data, depending on the watch face. So for this watch face, you can only customize the style. So you can swipe up or you can swipe through and see which styles are currently available. So find the style that you'd like to use. So let's say if you like this one, all you have to do is tap on the check mark, and that will be your new watch face. So that's basically it on how to change the watch face on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.